Cooking with EZEBUILO, it's a journey, not a chore. Sprinkle in some love and you'll always want more. From sizzling pans to the laughter in the air, with every bite, taste the love we share. Whisking dreams in a kitchen so bright, a pinch of joy makes everything right. Kneading dough with a rhythm so fine, and every spoonful a taste divine. Chop, chop, chop till the beat don't stop. Stirring fun with every pot we pop. Flavors mixed like a perfect band. In cooking together we understand. Grilling under stars with a moonlit hue, a dash of night makes the morning feel new. Spices dancing in a fragrant bliss, in every dish a memory we can't miss. Chop, chop, chop till the beat don't stop. Stirring fun with every pot we pop. Flavors mixed like a perfect band. In cooking together we understand. From sunlit mornings to twilight feasts, every meal shared is a moment.